All right, guys, today I am going to give you a quick introduction to a new uh, teaching model that we're going to try out a little bit here this second semester called the flipped classroom. So I guess the first question is, what does that mean? What is a flipped classroom? And before we talk about what a flipped classroom is, let's go back and look at what a traditional classroom setting looks like. In a normal classroom setting that you guys are probably used to, you're going to start out in class with getting some background information, some lectures, some notes, some reading, class discussion, something along those lines. I know how much you guys love to take notes during class, but that background information that you get during class then sets you up to be able to go home and do some practice, an activity, an assignment, some sort of exercise on those concepts for homework. Okay, and this method of teaching has been around for many years. And for a long time, it was pretty much the only method of teaching that we had. But with a flipped classroom, we now have the capabilities of doing things a little bit differently. So what we do with the flipped classroom model is we take these two aspects of where you're getting the background information, the lecture, the notes, and then where you're doing the activities and assignments, and we flip them. We turn it around. So with the flipped classroom model, you're going to access that background information from home, typically through videos like this one that I will post on the internet, provide you with a link to get to those videos, and then you watch the videos, you take the notes, get that background information, gather any questions that you may have. Sometimes I may provide extra resources, other websites you can check out, questions for you to answer, things along those lines. But mainly the videos will be taking the notes. Right? And then when you come back to class, that's where we'll do our normal activities and assignments, the things that you would normally do at home. So the normal homework assignments, you take care of those in the classroom instead of at home. So it's the same setup, the same two key concepts: getting the information, doing the practice exercises. It's just we flip around where you're doing those and when you're doing those. Okay? So I guess the next question would be, why would we do this? Why would we flip the classroom around? What advantages are there to doing it this way? And there are several advantages. Uh, the first one would be that you've got access to the lecture materials and the notes, and you can use those materials at your own pace when it's convenient for you. If you can go a little faster than some students, you can watch the videos at their normal pace and get your notes down. If you need a little extra time, the video component will allow you to have that extra time. You can pause the video, you can stop it, you can play a segment over again, you can play the whole thing over again. You can watch it as many times as you need to until you feel comfortable that you really understood what's going on. If there's a topic that's introduced and you don't really get it, you can stop the video. You can, while you're online, go to Google, look something up, get some more information about it, and then come back and watch the rest of the videos once you feel like you've really got it down. The other key important benefit to flipping the classroom is then that you're not stuck at home trying to answer some homework questions um, without any help. You'll have access to me during the class time to help you out with those practice activities, those exercises, those activities. We'll have some increased individual one-on-one time where we can work on really what's giving you the problems, what you don't understand. We can focus on those during class time. So hopefully by doing it this way, we'll eliminate any of those times when you feel like you're stuck or you're lost or you can't figure out how to go on from there in a homework assignment, because you'll have access to me right then while you're doing that homework assignment. Okay? Yeah, that pretty much wraps up my introduction to the flipped classroom. I just wanted to do this little quick video real short to get you used to how things would be set up and how they may work at home. Again, if we're doing this flipped classroom model, this video you would access from home. You would probably take some notes on it. I didn't ask you to take notes on this part today, but I will on the next section. But I just want to give you a little introduction to what we're doing. All right. If you would like a little bit more info on what a flipped classroom is, what it looks like, kind of a little bit deeper understanding of what's going on, you can check out this link. It's www.newton with a K at the beginning, knewton.com/flipped-classroom. And there's some graphics, some pictures, some flow charts and things like that that kind of help explain what's going on with the flipped classroom. Some research that's been done, some results from classrooms that have tried out this method, so you can kind of see where I'm coming from. All right, that pretty much finishes this up. Thank you guys for watching.